Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the teachings of Neville Goddard and the power of the mind to manifest abundance and success. Today's video is all about faith, its significance in our lives, and how we can use it to achieve our dreams and desires. Throughout history, great thinkers have explored the power of faith and manifestation, and one of the most renowned is Neville Goddard, an author, philosopher, and spiritual teacher. In this video, we will explore his teachings on unlocking the power of faith and manifesting our dreams. Our focus will be on the power of faith in achieving goals, cultivating faith for manifestation success, and using affirmations to create our reality. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of Neville Goddard's teachings and how to use them to manifest your dreams. Curious about how faith and manifestation can help you create the life of your dreams? Join us on an enlightening journey exploring the mysteries of faith and manifestation while gaining insight into the power of the mind that can create even desired realities. In this video, we explore the concept of faith and its significance in our lives by delving into the teachings of Neville Goddard. We discuss practical steps on how to cultivate faith and tap into its power for manifestation purposes. We start with a powerful example from one of Jesus' miracles, demonstrating how unwavering faith can have a profound effect despite many obstacles. Bible stories such as this serve as powerful reminders of the role that faith plays in all aspects of life, allowing individuals facing obstacles access to higher powers that can ultimately lead them towards success. We then explore Neville Goddard's teachings, including the law of assumption and the law of attraction. These concepts demonstrate the relationship between our minds and the universe and how our thoughts can become things when combined with visualization and intention. To harness their beliefs and generate confidence, individuals can use techniques like trusting their own judgment, being mindful of thought patterns, maintaining a positive attitude, and focusing their intention towards achieving their goals. Visualization, affirmations, and meditation practices can enhance clarity and concentration, increasing effectiveness in manifesting intentions. By following these steps, anyone has the potential to unlock the power of belief and faith to achieve desired outcomes through the manifestation process. Are you interested in using faith to achieve your goals? Explore faith and manifestation lessons from renowned spiritual teacher, Neville Goddard. Our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality with a positive mindset. Jesus' response to the woman's healing emphasized the importance of beliefs and convictions. Believing in something greater than ourselves creates resilience and strength. Faith requires action, trusting the universe, recognizing opportunities, and understanding that challenges are part of growth. Pursuing dreams while actively having faith allows access to new possibilities. Self-confidence remains paramount until we reach our destination, where new dreams emerge and life continues. Believe in the power of manifestation. Cultivating faith is essential to achieve your goals. Neville Goddard, author of The Law of Assumption, believed our thoughts shaped our reality and taught manifestation. To cultivate faith, build positivity through gratitude, meditation, and visualization. Affirmations reprogram limiting beliefs. Patience in faith cultivation is key, despite setbacks. Start your journey to success by exploring Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation and spirituality via self-help tools like visualization and affirmations. Have you ever heard of Neville Goddard and his teachings on faith and manifestation? Many spiritual practitioners have turned to the power of affirmations to create their reality, but how can we use them effectively? In this section, we will explore the power of affirmations by examining Neville Goddard's lessons on faith and manifestation and how we can apply them in our lives. Affirmations have been used since ancient times to manifest desired outcomes, but their application has evolved over time. Nowadays, they are seen as a means of cultivating a state of being and aligning with our desires. To make affirmations work, it is key to believe without a doubt that what we desire is already done. This can be accomplished by trusting the universe rather than trying to control it. An important component when affirming is recognizing that we are the creators of our own reality. Statements such as "I am the God of my reality" can help remind us of the power we have within. When confronted with an overwhelming desire, it may also be helpful to acknowledge any emotions connected to the desire before releasing attachment to its outcome, or reading spiritual texts before bedtime as a way to calm oneself. By understanding Neville Goddard's lessons on belief and manifestation through techniques such as visualization or the law of assumption, we can unlock powerful energy within ourselves that will eventually manifest our desired outcomes in life. Have you heard of Neville Goddard's teachings on spirituality and manifestation? He was an inspiring teacher who believed that it was possible to create our own reality when we live in a state of knowing and trust in the universe. His ideas have helped many people around the world manifest their dream realities. In this section, we will explore faith and manifestation lessons from Neville Goddard, including how to use affirmations effectively. Affirmations are not a quick fix for manifestation. They are tools to align with the energy of your desires. To make affirmations work, you must be in a state of knowing that what you desire is already done and trust the universe instead of trying to control the outcome. Cultivating this type of mindset will open up space for manifestations to occur more effortlessly and rapidly than if one were to wait around without taking action or focusing on their desired outcomes. It's important to analyze different points of view, as everyone has their own opinions on how reality can be created. This way, we can form our own opinions based on evidence rather than just blindly believing something because someone said so. Taking into account both logic and faith can help us find even greater success when applying principles such as these towards achieving goals or creating realities. Believing something happens instantly isn't necessarily wise, but having faith that it eventually will come true is key. Let go of trying to control every aspect of life and give up any attachment one might feel over wanting things quickly or always going according to plan. Trusting that everything works out in its due time is essential when using affirmations effectively. Analyzing Neville Goddard's methods helps us gain deeper insight into ways in which we can manifest our dreams. So take advantage by studying various approaches whenever possible. With his teachings firmly rooted in belief, faithfulness, visualization techniques combined with trusting yourself, anything is possible if you take actionable steps towards making it happen. Make sure your dreams become a reality today by exploring all paths available at your disposal. Neville Goddard's teachings on faith and manifestation have inspired many to unlock their potential and create the life they desire. By understanding the power of faith, cultivating it for manifestation success, and using affirmations to manifest dreams, we can bring our best selves into reality. To make this process easier, start by building a positive mindset through gratitude practices, meditation, visualization techniques, and affirmations. Trusting the universe, rather than trying to control it, is also key for successful manifestations. Explore Neville Goddard's teachings on faith and manifestation today to make your dreams a reality. Take action now by watching our inspirational video series on Neville Goddard's teachings of faith and manifestation, and learn how you can use these powerful principles in your own life to start manifesting your desires with confidence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.